When it comes to mowing large areas, bigger is better. Designed to deliver maximum results. Introducing the X-WAM Series 5. Get more done with one operator and one tractor. The new X-WAM is now 38 feet wide, 4 feet wider than the previous X-WAM, increasing productivity by 11%, saving you time and money. Full-width front and rear rollers follow contours and provide excellent anti-scalp protection while leaving a premium striped finish. The inclusion of the Titan roller bearing system, alongside our tried and tested maintenance-free spindles, results in zero daily maintenance needs. The X-WAM has a purpose-built, fully integrated chassis, which has increased durability by 50% when compared to the previous model, ensuring reliability in demanding environments. QuikLIFT is now a standard feature on all X-WAM S5 models, allowing you to quickly lift all decks off the turf, reducing headland damage when turning. With a variable cutting width between 23.9 feet and 38 feet, you can adjust your mow widths quickly when required. The X-WAM S5 offers compact transportation for safe and easy relocation from farm to farm. Stand-on covers, a hydraulic parking jack, and electric unlocks simplify operation. The X-WAM S5 deck design follows in the footsteps of our Pegasus series, fitted with an automatic belt tensioning system and a deep mowing deck design, supported by a range of blade options. Cut performance is optimized. The X-WAM Series 5, the king of wide area mowing. Also available in caster configuration. Get in touch today.